Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez. As you can see by this beautiful view, we are decorating my Christmas tree once more. I am still using the same $30 flocked Christmas tree from Walmart, and this time we are going to be decorating it with all items from Dollar Tree. They are items that you can either buy at Dollar Tree or some Dollar Tree DIYs that I have shared here on my channel. I'm going to leave all of those linked down below for you. And as always, I start with my basket with all of my items in here. It does help me to keep everything together and make sure that everything will work well. And this video is going to be a little bit different. Instead of showing you how I decorate the tree, I am just going to show you the item and show you where I place them. I'm going to be using the same tips and tricks that I've shared in my other Christmas tree decorating videos. But I guess the most important thing is that this tree is all from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using as my main show-stopping piece are these gnomes. I did have to buy them online. I was never able to find them in store, and then I did a couple I gave all of them a little makeover just so that they looked a little bit different. Even though everything on here is from a Dollar Tree, I don't want it to be very obvious that it is. I want to show you how you can have a Dollar Tree budget or Dollar Tree items, and it doesn't have to look like it exactly came from there, by giving little tweaks to all of the items and the tips and tricks that I've shown you before on how to decorate the tree. Now, as always, I'm going to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Like, comment, and share, and let's just get decorating. As usual, we are starting with the biggest item first, and in this case it is these gnomes that I did give makeovers to. I'm going to leave that video linked down below, and I'm basically just adding them where there is space for them, also where I know that they are going to be held in place. Now I'm going to be adding this decorative mesh just like I add my ribbon. I am going to be cutting it into strips and then looping it in and out of the tree.
The ones we meet wear their warmest smile, and from far away
Now it's time for these really large Dollar Tree ornaments. You already know this is my most favorite Dollar Tree item ever.
We will carry a song heard through.
Now I'm going to add these adorable poinsettia clips. These are comparable to something you would find at Hobby Lobby, and they did have them in different colors. I hope they bring them back every single year.
Bring a special glow on a special night. I'm
going to be adding some of these clear DIY ornaments, and then some of these that I did add some Epsom salt to the bottom so that they look like if they have some snow. I'm going to leave the video for all of the DIYs that I featured in this video linked down below for you. I have had these bells since the first year that Dollar Tree brought them, and I haven't used them. They all still had their tags on them. I can't believe that something as simple as removing the tops is what made them even better for me. Now I feel like I'm going to get more and better use out of them.
Say a prayer at this Christmas time.
And of course, I'm going to be adding some picks. This has been a very picky year, but I love it. I am obsessed with picks. These I DIY'd last year, I believe. These other pearl ones I did in a recent video, and then these willow branches are just from Dollar Tree. All I'm going to do is spread them out so that they're not so close together, and they'll take up more room. You can cut them up and use them individually as well.
It's Christmas time, a merry sound, and the stars align.
And now it's time to work on a tree topper. I also just realized that you couldn't see the gnome that I had placed up here and the small pick that I placed. I knew that both of them would end up working along with a tree topper, which is just some of the willow branches. And that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you like my tree. Let me know in the comments down below if you think it looks like the items came from Dollar Tree or not. I think it came out better than what I thought it was going to look, and I am so happy with it. As always, I'm going to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Like, comment, and share. That really helps my channel to grow. Thank you again for taking time to watch this video, and you have a very good rest of your day. Bye bye.